This is the reading speeds. How many of you know your reading speed? How many of you know your reading speed? How many of you don't know what it is? Okay. All you can do and all you need to do is to take an average book. Don't take a comic book. You know, you can like the images and you say that picture is worth 1,000 words. So I've read one picture, 1,000 words a minute. Take a normal book, average book, average sentences, average level, and read it averagely. And do it in your home, not in front of the television, just sitting down, do a normal read, and calculate your words per minute. And obviously, if you've got 10 words per line, and you read 10 lines in 1 minute, what's your speed? 100 words a minute. So it's easy to calculate. So the table now, oh, and by the way, what do you think a really high speed is? What's a high speed? 1,000. 1,000 is high. So now we're going to look at the speeds of reading around the world. And you may make any note of this. When you note, by the way, when you note, you will remember at least 25% more than if you don't note. So note with your machine. Not not. Memorize it. Remember it. So what it says, speed ranges from 0 to 1,000. Here, 0, 100. The average reading speed, 200 to 240. That's the average. So little Tony at the age of 12, average. I was average. 400 is functional literacy. What that means is that if you can read 400 words a minute, you can then get through enough information to survive. How many of you are a slow reader? Slow. Think you're slow. Yeah, most of you. And most of you are, because you and I have been trained on how not to read. So 400 is like a survival level. Survival level. How many of you suffer from information overload? Information overload. Too much. So we have to learn how to manage that. 900 words per minute, way up here. Ta-da, here. 0.1%. And top editors. And over 1,100, here, 0.01%. Very, very few people. So that is the context. That's where you are.